Hello students, in my previous class I have discussed about sample. Show that sample mean square is an unbiased estimator of population mean square, remember? So I stopped till here. So now I am continuing it from here. S square is equal to this one. So for this, if we put expectation on both sides, substitute expectation expectation on both sides. So here if I substitute, put expectation of s square is equal to expectation of 1 by n summation of yi square, small yi minus 1 by small n into small n minus 1 into summation of yi yj. So here if I want to convert the small yi's to capital yi's, what is the method? The method is expectation of 1 by n summation of, instead of just small yi, I have to put ai, then I can write capital yi to this, then minus 1 by small n into small n minus 1. I have yi as well as yj, so I will write ai as well as aj to this, and capital yi and capital yj. Okay, then always expectation of this ai will be small n by capital N, like this. Expectation of ai is equal to small n by capital N, and if it is expectation of ai and aj, it will be n into n minus 1 by capital N into capital N minus 1. If it is ai, aj, ak means n minus 1, n minus 2 by capital N minus 1, capital N minus 2. Understood? So now because if I want to remove this ai, I will just write 1 by n summation of, in place of expectation of ai, I will put small n by capital N followed by yi square minus 1 by small n into small n minus 1. Instead of writing this ai aj, I am putting expectation to this and writing summation of n minus 1 by capital N minus 1. Okay, then yi yj. After this you can cancel this, no, this with this as well as this with this. So we will get 1 by capital N summation of capital yi square minus 1 by capital N summation of yi, capital yi and capital yj. This yi yj, we have a formula here, remember? We have written yi square is equal to summation of this. If I want to write just yi, I will write yi yj is equal to this. If I get it this side, it will be first summation of I is equal to 1 to n yi square, yi whole square minus, this will become minus if it is get this side, summation of yi square, yi whole square minus the summation of yi square. The same thing, in place of this I will write, first I will write 1 by capital N summation of yi square minus 1 by capital N summation of, in brackets I not equal to j, remember, no, to n. It is here you need to write this thing, no? So I am writing here summation of yi whole square minus summation of, because we are converting capital yi's, I will write capital yi yi square minus summation of yi square. Like this I will write. Then I will open this bracket. It will be simply written like this, right? You can write this one as 1 by capital N into summation of yi square into, I have written here I removed this one. I did not write this. I have cancelled this and this. I did not write n into n minus 1. You can write. Then n minus 1. Then here minus of 1 by n into n minus 1 into, we can put here summation of I is equal to 1 to n. I'll remove this summation because this is inside now. So yi square whole square minus 1 by capital N into n minus 1 into summation of yi square. Like this you can write. Then because we have summation yi square and summation yi square, we can write it as, we can write this one as like this: 1 by capital N into one plus 1 by capital N minus 1, right? This and this, minus of 1 by capital N into n minus 1 summation of yi square, yi whole square, right? So now if I elaborate this, it will be n minus 1 plus 1 by n minus 1. This minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. It will be left with capital N by n minus 1, right? This capital N and this will get cancelled. It will be left with, I did not write this, common of my summation of yi square. So I will write here capital N by n minus 1 into summation of yi square, okay, minus of 1 by capital N into n minus 1 summation of yi whole square, okay. After getting this, we can write this one as capital N by capital N also, no? Suppose if I multiply and divide this by capital N, it will be written as, I will get this capital N inside because n I have 2, no? I will get this capital N inside, so it will be here. I will show you summation of yi by capital N whole square. Like this it will be. What is summation of yi by n? It is y bar of n, right? So this will be capital Y bar of n square. So this and this will come inside, and capital N, it will be left with capital N by 1 minus n minus 1. So we have capital N. So here we have capital N by n minus 1 into summation of yi square minus 1 by n into capital N minus 1 of y bar square of n. So here we have written this one and this one. It was left with capital N and this one. It's having n into n minus 1 somewhere. This n, 1 by n is there, 1 by n is there. So this 1 by n I'm having here, I will cancel this and this. It will be 1 by n minus 1 into y, summation I is equal to 1 to n yi minus capital N by n minus 1 into y bar of n square, which is equal to 1 by n minus 1 into summation of yi square minus n y bar of n square. This is what the answer, which is capital S square, because capital Y's are there and capital N is there. So the answer of this is this one. Hence the theorem is proved, which is expectation of S square is equal to this one.